So in this lab, we will continue with the few notifications, instructions, and we'll kind of follow up. And in previous lab, we had discussed, and you had given intro on your definition and solution and all those things. Now, to few teams I had given approval, and to few teams I had asked to modify the definition. Now, those teams who have got approval, I hope that you have started working on your different kind of canvases, sheets, reports, and all. And those teams, I hope that you have contacted me and updated the definition, and you had got the approval. Thanks. So let us go through those definitions who have got the notification. Just a minute. Okay, so from your batch, most of the teams have got approval on WhatsApp as well as during the lab itself also. But few teams are there who had made the entry late and they had not given any kind of intro or idea on the solution. Okay, starting with Paras. You decided any definition? Okay, and I have mentioned the status as pending. Still, it is approval is pending, so you can go with the solution. Which what is your definition? And can you repeat, Paras, your solution? Okay, next, Samir, Sunita.
Yes, sir.
You had made the entry late. What is your definition and what is your solution?
Sir, our project is based on an inquiry system in which the people who don't know about the government sector, in which what kind of files, what kind of papers are required, then they can beat the query on our project or our website. It is a kind of a form. In forum, they are beating a query, and which are knowing about that, they can reply the answers.
Okay, then what is the difference between your solution and Quora?
Sir, that is Quora is a what a very big platform in which the local kind of things like name transfer of a meter in electricity and that kind of silly questions are not available in there, or they are not totally working on local levels and local kind of offices. And our project is working on a local level in which the local peoples or from a villageal peoples are can also join us.
Okay, fine, Samir. You can go with it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And also mention that part that you are only going to focus on that because inquiry system is a kind of general thing.
Sorry, sir, I don't get it.
Your title is inquiry system. It is a general thing. It is not giving the kind of idea that what is your definition is all about. Just
Yes,
include
sir.
that part that it is only limited to that part only.
uh, we are not thinking about that right now.
Sorry, then.
And few time I will give answer.
So you are you are creating a generalized app, right? Right now.
Yes.
So you are not focusing on that part.
No.
Then what is the difference between your solution and Quora
uh,
currently?
Currently is a very big platform. They are not providing a local answers. They are literally don't know what is in a local systems, local office. They are doing what paper kind of things they getting. They don't know about it. No one are answering on that in a speedy way. We are giving at least a base in which within a 1 or 2 days we can getting answer
So your
at a local
queries,
level.
your solution is about different kind of local queries.
Yes, local queries with
Yes, so you
between a
can include
government
that part. Yes, between government and normal
local.
citizens, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So you can include that portion in that definition so that anybody can get idea about
Okay,
your project.
okay, sir. It's just
Clear?
I will change the title. Nothing
Fine.
big deal. Thank
Yes,
you.
that is the thing.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir, am I approved?
Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
The thing is, from your title itself, anybody can get the idea. That is the thing.
Okay, sir. I will change
Okay.
it.
Thank you so much. Okay, Paras has written the answer. Just a minute. Let me go through it. Okay, Paras, done. Yes, Paras. Thank you. Next team, Divya, Shifa. Divya, Shifa. Because I think both are absent. Okay, fine. So let us move ahead. I hope that let me just go through it. Yes. So from C batch, only one team is left with definition, and they are absent. Fine. So rest of the teams have got the approval, and I hope that those who have got approval, you have already started working on it. Fine. So different things regarding that. Just a minute. Let me just make it clear to all. Okay, please, all of you, please pay attention here. So this is the abstract that you can get it from here. Guidelines, fifth sem. Now, many students were having query that you have selected project, is implementation is required, is complete solution ready is required. So for that question, you need to only prepare those things which are mentioned in this PDF file. You can refer this table, you can refer this list. Right? So you need to prepare only these things. Fine. Now, one more thing regarding this. Now here with this AEIOU framework, you need to prepare individual sheets as well as combined sheet also. That is the second thing. And now regarding your definition. Fine. So one thing that I would like to just make it clear that many of the students have asked that what will happen if in next semester you will change the definition? Is it allowed? Then regarding the definition, this is the abstract for sixth sem. You can go to this academics guidelines and sixth semester. Whenever you will refer this PDF file, in this it is clearly mentioned that the plan of action in sixth semester, it is totally based on the revalidation feedback from last semester, that is your fifth semester, current semester. You need to plan for the future aspects with respect to the feedbacks, revalidations you have got in fifth semester. And based on, in short, based on fifth semester's definition, that is your current definition that you selected, the same definition will be extended in sixth semester, but the tasks will be different. Right? So in current semester, you are going to perform all these things. You can refer this table and this list. With respect to the same definition, you are going to perform all these tasks in next semester. So it is kind of extension. Now someone will ask that what if you are going to change definition in next semester? So if in next semester you will ask to change the definition in next semester, then according to the guideline, with respect to new definition that you're going to select in next semester, if in next semester you're going to change the definition, then first you need to prepare all these things again for that new definition. Fine. So the task that you are doing right now, the same you're going to do in next semester with new definition, if you are changing that definition. And based on all these things, you will get again revalidations, feedback, and then again in sixth semester you have to complete this task. Right? So fifth semester task plus sixth semester task if you change definition in next semester. But you continue with the same definition, then you need to continue with these tasks based on the feedback, revalidations you have got in this semester. Fine. So first of all, up to this, all of you clear? Thank you, Savan. Thank you, Paras. Thank you, Asta, for the responses. Thank you, Nizar. Okay, individual pages in AEIO means how we have to do. Yes, just a minute, Devarsh. Let me show you. What is about logbook? Okay, that also we'll discuss, Savan. I think logbook we have discussed in the first lecture itself, first lab itself. Fine, so we will discuss with logbook again. Fine, so please wait. First of all, let me take the Devarsh out. Okay, you all are aware of the combined sheet, right? Combined sheet is already that you already know. Now, I'm giving you a link in the comment box. You can refer it. So I hope my screen is visible. So whenever you're going to open this or click on this activities, then environment, interaction of objects, users, then you will get this kind of sample sheets. And these are the individual sheets. And combine that you all know. Right, so this you have already studied in 1A, I think in third sem. Right, so individual plus combined both is required in that AIO framework. Thank you so much, Devash. Now, Sawan is asking about logbook. Yes, so let me go to that logbook again. Okay, so this is H is your logbook, individual logbook. Now, what is this logbook? So, for example, you are preparing a kind of notebook for maintaining status, different kind of, let us say, rough work you are doing, different kind of points you are mentioning in that notebook. So that is your logbook. You can have a kind of notebook where you are mentioning all these things, different links, different points, different important users aspects, functionalities. So in short, in the book where you are doing your all the kind of you are listing down different points and measure point, that is your logbook. Fine. So if you are mentioning the separate book, you can submit that logbook also. Fine, and that should be duly signed by the faculty. But that signature and all that will possible whenever our college is going to start physically. Fine. So you can maintain a separate book where you're going to mention all the kind of points, different kind of links you can say, or rough work, your functionalities and all. Fine. That will be the logbook. In short, you are maintaining the log using that book. Status, work on particular day. Okay, Devash is asking that only one AIU will be individual or all canvas. Can you explain, Devash?
Hello, sir.
Okay, just a minute. Please wait for a while. Just a minute. Yes, yes, please go ahead.
સર તમે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ નું કીધું એમાં જે એક જ કેનવાસ છે એઆઈ ઈ જ કરવાનું કે બધા કેનવાસ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ?
Okay, just a minute. Okay, as they have mentioned here that AEIOU framework, right? So with respect to this, A will be different, E will be different, I will be different, O and U, and then a kind of combined sheet. So total, I think it will be having 6 sheets or 6 frameworks for this. Others are different. Others are also required. Like ideation should be separate, empathy should be separate, PDC, all should be separate. Yes, Sam. AEIOU separate as well as combined both. So total it will be, I think, six frameworks will be there. Rest you can directly get it from this link that I had mentioned. Like for example, this is summary. Thanks. So this is kind of summary. So individual plus summary, I can say. Total six sheets will be there. Then let us say empathy mapping canvas. So this is your empathy. This is your ideation canvas. This is PDC canvas. Fine. So with respect to AEIOU, individual plus summary, and rest are different. You also need to complete the rest things like PDC, then ideation and other things. I hope it is clear to all. If you still have any kind of confusion, any kind of doubt, feel free to ask. Is it clear to all? Thank you, Sawan. Thank you, Devash. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you, Om. Great. Now let me give you more instructions. Just a minute. Let me just share the screen. Okay, so this is, I hope that it is visible to all. Now, except one team, all have got the approval. Right, so first of all, regarding this, step two, by end of the day, please, I'm requesting all of you, please, those teams who have got approval, I think except one, all have got the approval, please register your definition on DE portal. Your definition and team on DE portal. Right, so please register your team and definition on DE portal so that within this week I can approve it. Now, whenever you are going to register your team and definition at that time, you need to choose internal guide. Now, as internal guide, you need to choose Munindra sir. Again, repeating this point that as internal guide, you need to choose Munindra sir in that portal. That is the first point. Second point, most of us or most of the teams are having solution based on our field, like application, website, software kind of things. Fine. So those teams who are having our field related solution, they are going to select disciplinary. If you are taking the help of other field, like any kind of electronic gadgets or any kind of mechanical gadgets, Okay, sorry, all of you, I was disconnected. Okay, am I audible to all? Thank you, Sound, for the response. Yes, so let me share the screen. Thank you, Asa, for the response. Thank you, Mihir. Yes, so we were discussing that whenever you're going to register, we had discussed about disciplinary thing, that if you are purely creating solution based on website, application, or platform software kind of thing, then go with disciplinary. In internal guide, select Mohindra sir, and as we are not taking help from any other third party company or college, that's why that is the reason that you are going to select no in external guide. Right, so these three things you need to keep in mind while you're going to register your definition. Now, with respect to step 3, I will create Google Classroom. I will create Google Classroom. There you need to submit all these things. That is by 14th of July. You need to complete all these things and you need to submit it by 14th of July. Fine. So still we are having around 2 weeks of time. And this point I would like to again clear that regarding step 4, in which sequence I will ask for the presentation. So there is no fixed sequence. All the teams need to be ready with the presentation. And so I will ask randomly to any team for the presentation. So all teams need to be ready with presentation and different things that you have prepared. And so I will ask randomly on 15th and 22nd July's lab. Now, in presentation, which things you will include? Right, so few things are important that you need to include in that presentation. So fixed format is not that. You can include these parts. First part, that is on which issues or challenges, on which society or community based issues and challenges that you have observed. Right, so that is the first part. Second part, on the basis of those issues and challenges, which definition you have selected and how you are going to resolve it. That is a solution. That is the second part. And third part, all the things that you have included, that you have prepared, like ideation, empathy, AEIOU, PDC, report, all these things you can include in that report also. Right, so report format I will upload in that classroom also. Right, so you can follow that report format. Report format I will upload rest, like other images that you're going to prepare, like ideation, empathy, PDC, AEIOU, that you need to include in that presentation. And so these many things you need to have ready in that presentation. Okay, up to this, all of you clear? So by 15th of, yes, you need to create mind map also. That is already mentioned in that PDF file. Just a minute. No, just a minute. Let me just go through it again. Mind map is not mentioned. Just a minute. Yes, it is there. So Jay, just refer that PDF file that we had already mentioned. Yes, so here C is your mind map. So you need to create mind map also, Jay. And so please, this PDF file, you will get clear idea that which things you need to do. And so refer this list and this table. mind map is there in this list. You need to prepare it. Okay, is it clear, Jay? Okay, what to do in external guide in student registration? Rushabh, we are not taking help from any other third-party company or third-party institute. So, in external guide, you're going to select no. And so by end of the day, please all of you complete this registration process. And so that I can approve it within this week. Okay, anybody else, any kind of query, any kind of doubt, any question? Okay, great. And so I hope that there's no query. So in next lab, you need to show the progress that which things you have prepared. Right? So be ready with your whichever things that you prepared. Please continue it. Whichever tasks are doing, please continue with that. And I will create the classroom and you need to submit. And so just taking that in just a minute. So taking the attendance, so starting with Rita.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Viraj.
Yes.
Thank you, Nishita.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mihir.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Rishabh.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Astha.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Parth. Not responding. Samir.
Present, sir.
Samir.
Yes, sir.
Parth.
Hello, sir. Parth present.
Yes, Parth, done.
Sir, 06 near, sir.
Samir.
Present, sir.
Mirzar, please wait. And Nisha.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Then Sunita.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Om.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Savan.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Jay.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Mansi.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Devarsh.
Present, sir.
Shubham. Not responding. Mirzar, what is your number?
Sir, 06.
Zero 06. Just a minute. Mirzar, can you type down your full endowment number in the comment box? Minute. Thank you so much, all of you. Have a nice day. See you in the next week. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.